Welcome back YouTube viewers, I'm Seth Strauss and this is another video from Road to Power. This is the first video for 2022. We'll be doing an unbox video of our turbo from Turbo Direct South Africa. This is a GTX3584R, a 1000 horsepower capable turbo dual ball bearing from Turbo Direct. It's been made in South Africa. So we'll be trying this turbo on the Golf 4 R32 project. We snapped our Mr. Turbo GT35 China copy turbo exhaust turbine or exducer, whatever. Anyway, so today's video will be short. We will be having a look at the turbo provided by Turbo Direct. It's a dual ball bearing, so we will see what they put together for us. Take note, I'm in Namibia. This is a SADC neighbor of South Africa. So Turbo Direct shipped the turbo to me. So they ship internationally. Let's have a look at this turbo. I hope you will be as surprised and amazed at the quality as I am. So over here we have Turbo Direct's packaging. GTX3584R 1000. So 1000 horsepower capable. Application 2 liter to 5.5 liter, 550 to 1000 horsepower. Your compressor wheel, inducer 67mm, exducer diameter 84, AR of 0.7, the turbine 68, exducer wheel 62. It's a T3 flange, 76 V band, having an AR of 82. So this package weighs 10 kgs for those of you organizing your own courier and shipping or whatever. So I already opened it. Already we find a box within a box. So this is a Turbo Direct's box, another same sticker. So I opened it just to see if there's a turbo inside as well as heat trap. I ordered the heat trap. They can supply heat trap, silicone hoses, down pipes, specific turbo kits, you name it. Just speak to Turbo Direct. They have a nice website. Included we have our oil drain, oil feed. This looks like the two coolant fittings as well as copper washers. Very nice. Put that in the box. The 76mm V-band is included as well for those fabricating their exhaust downpipe. Okay, that's included. Very nice. This is a very good gasket, T3 gasket. Okay, I'll put that in the box over here. Main event, GT35. As you said, I don't know if I mentioned this, but this turbo has a forged billet compressor wheel. Let's have a look. This is my first time seeing it. I hope I'm impressed. Wow. Some Turbo Direct logo up there. As you can see, This looks really good. Already mounted. It's what do you call this? Your boost tap off. And what we all would like to see is, how does this thing spin? Ball bearing. Wow. So looks very good. Very good. This is the turbine wheel. As we said, 76 V-band for the downpipe. Have a look in there. This is the AR 82 exhaust manifold. The quality is really good. Really good quality. So this is, as I said earlier, it is a dual ball bearing turbo. We will be comparing its boost response to the Mr. Turbo billet GT35 copy, and I have some logs of that where we were driving, so we will see this turbo hopefully generate boost much earlier. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Hopefully we will have more of such short videos coming 2022.